Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. This is continuation of the last video, which is logarithm theory of logarithm. But on this video, I'm working on substitution in logarithm. The outline are: number one, substitution in logarithm; two, relationship between indices and logarithm; and three, logarithm equation. While the next video will be simultaneous form of indices, of logarithm, and the next one will be quadratic form of logarithm. Let's see what we can do, and let's see. Now, don't forget that I've told you that when I have log a, is same as what? Log a base 10. Take note of that. Since I know that, and also I've told you that log a base 2 can also be written as log a base 9. Now, since I've told you in the last video, and also I can write this as, can also be equals to 1 all over what? Log b and a. Please take note of this. They are equal. Now, they are equal. Yes. Okay. Sorry, I just want to make it like this. Log b. Now, since that is the case, take note of those things. Now, let me start from the first one, which is logarithm by what? Substitution. Make sure you view the video before now for better understanding. It's very, very important. Because there's no way, if you don't understand the video, the video before now, it's very hard for you to understand. Our classes are always continuous. If you want to lay your hand on the end of our video, you want to start from the first video. Now, if I'm talking about substitution, for instance, look at this question. Permit me to write it out. Okay, look at this question. I will use this question to explain substitution in logarithm. It was clearly stated that log 2 equals to this, and log 7 equals to this, and log 3 equals to this. You are now asked to evaluate one log this and this equals to. Now you are asked to solve this question. What you just need to do, solution to this question. Now what I just need to do, I will be having log 0.2. Now, this can also be written as log 2 all over 10. This can also be written as log 1 all over 5. Take note of that. Now, if I were you, I won't go to this length because it will cause problem. Now, I can write this as well as log 2 minus log 10. This is definitely the base 10. Now, log 2 base 10 minus what? 1. This is when the base is equal to the. Now I can answer that what log 2 is equal to this is 0.3021. 20 minus 1, which I'll be having. It will be equals to what? It will be equals to minus 0.6990. That is my answer. Now take note of that. Now another question is here, which is log 35 raised to the power 2. Now, log 35 raised to the power 2 can also be 2 log 35 can be 7 times what? 7 times 5. Which I can say that 2 bracket of log 7 plus log 5. Now, this is where you need to think. I can write log 2, log 7, which I can say that what? 7, this 5 can be log 10 divided by 2. We all know that 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Now, since I have that, I can answer that log 7 plus log 7. I will open another 2 is there, don't forget that. Log 7 minus log 2. Now, can you see what this produced this? Now, I can answer that 2 log, this is 7, plus, I have 1 minus log 2 and 10. Now, what's our log 7? I think this is a bracket. Now, 2 log 7 plus 2 minus what? 2 log what? 2. Now, which I can answer that what? What's our log 7? Or even though you can bring it out, you can still bring it out, which it won't be any problem. Now, I can now say that what? Log 7 is what? Log 7 is 0 point, which is 2 bracket of 0.8451 plus 1 minus, this is going to be 0.3017. Now, when you want to have something like this, if calculator is not with you, just have 0. This one will surely be 1.845 minus 0.3410. Don't just stress yourself. Do it the same way. If you are not very smart, put it this way: 451 minus 0.3010. Now, which I have 1, 3, 4, 5, and 1. That is what we are going to have, which is going to be now multiplied by 2. Don't forget, I will be having 2 bracket of 1.5431. Now, how do I multiply this by 2? The same way: 2 times 2, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 1, 2. My answer become what? 3.0862. That is my answer. It means is what? 3.0682. That is my answer. That is my answer. Can you see? That is what we need to hope it's not 88. I think it's 82. Yes, 66. Okay, now that is all about that. Now, okay, remain one. Oh, I've not solved the last one. Permit me to rub this thing. Sorry, let me rub this thing up so that it won't cause a problem. Now, look at this one. We're told that log, this is very straightforward. Log 27 can be written as log 3 raised to power 3, which is 3 bracket of log what? 3. Which is, I'll be having 3 bracket of what? What's our log 3? Is 0.477, which 3 times 0, I have 3. I have 0, sorry. This one will be 12, and this one will be what? 21, and this one will be what? 21. 21. Now my answer become 134.1. That is my answer. 13 point what? That is my answer. Now, let me try to work on special case here, because there are some questions that will be technical, and it needs, you have to calm down and solve it. If not, you won't get it right. Let's try to work on some technical problem. It could be technical in the sense that it's not coming direct. Okay. Okay, look at this question. Permit me to write this question down. Now, look at this question. We have 1, 2, 3. And let's try to solve it together. The first one is very straightforward. I'm looking for my n. Find the value of n. We were told that 10 raised to power n equals to 0.63. And we were told that, and also told that log 63 base 10 equals to 1.8. What I'll just do here, log the both side. Log the both side. Now, what am I doing? N log 10 equals to what? Equals to log 0.63. And we were told that this one will be definitely 1. This one will be n multiplied by 1 equals to log is 10 and 0.63. Now, we were told that this equals to this. It means n equals to what? 1.8. That is my answer. It means my n equals to 1.8. For you to show that you know mathematics very well, you can write 18 all over what? 10. No problem. Which you can also say that 2 here 9, 2 here 5. Which you can also say that what? How many whole number? 1 whole number, 4 all over 5. That is what you can do there. It means my hand can be that. That is what you need to know there. Hope I'm not making mistake. Oh, I made mistake. Oh, I've misinterpreted the question. Sorry. I just look at something now. I discovered that the question is 67. Oh, since 63 rather, this can be equals to log. That will be what? 63 divided by 100 log. Sorry, this has to be log. I have log 63 minus log 10 raised to the power 2, which I'll be having log 63 minus 2 log 10, which is equals to 1. Now it means what's our log? It will be 1.8 minus 2, which is I will now have my answer will now become minus, my n will be equals to minus 0.2. That is my n will be equals to minus 0.2. That is all I like this. Now look at this. It's also a simple question that which I can solve this by having. We are so told that log 5 is equals to 6 equals to this, log 7 equals to this, log 8 equals to this, and I have to bring something good here. I can turn this thing to what? Log 35 multiplied by 4 divided by 40 all over what? 64. There won't be any problem here since I know that. Now I can turn this log 35 multiplied by 49. I can put brackets divided by 40 all over what? Now there won't be any problem. There won't be any problem. Now log 35 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 56 all over 40. I think by so doing this, I think I don't have problem, which I can now say that let me start dividing. I know 5 here is 7. 5 here is 5 in 40. That would be 45. I mean this one will be 9. Sorry, this is 9. 5 in 40, that will be 8. Oh, this is 7. That will be 8. Now, I know that what else can I do here? 2 here is what? 4. 2 in 3, that will be what? That will be 23. This is 23. I mean, 2 here, 2. 2 remainder in 16. That will be 8. Now, I can also say 2 here, 2. 2 in 28. Here 1, here 4. Here 4. That will be 14. I think 2 here 1. 2 here is what? 7. Now, I can now say a log 7 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 7, which I'll be having log 7 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7, which I can now say that what? Log 7 raised to the power 4. Take note of that. This is 1. This is 1. I'm just on indices now, which I can say 4 log what? 7. My log 7 is always equals to, what is my log 7? This is 0.8451. Bracket of 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8, I'll be having 32. 4 times 4, I'll be having 16. 4 times 5, I'll be having 24. Now, my answer becomes 4,083 point what? 3. That is my answer. 0.3, that is my answer. Now, please, that is my answer. It means my answer equals to 3.3804. That is my answer. Now, that is my answer. Okay, I think it's getting better. Now, I just need to solve this one also. I just need to solve this one. Look at this. What I just need to do here is that I'll be having log 28 minus log 3 because it's division. 28 can also be written as 7 times 2. 7 times 17, 14 times 2. Now log 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 minus log what? 3. Now, which I can say that log 7 plus log 4 minus log 3. Now, log 7 plus 2 log 2 minus log what? 3. That is, and we're told that log 2 equals to s, 3 equals to y, 7 equals to z. It means z minus 2x plus 2x minus what? Y. That's my answer. That is my answer. I think by so doing that, okay, this is very nice. And take note of this substitution is very technical. It's common in exams. Please, these are exam questions. Take note of them one by one. Take note of them one by one. And let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's try to work on some things and let's see how it will come. Okay. Okay, the next outline. Now, the next outline, relationship between indices and log and logarithm. That's what I'm working on now. Now, I think I've explained that earlier, which we at the beginning of the video, which I just need to solve problems here. For instance, if log n1 equals to what? X. n1 equals to x. Now, don't forget that for me to have 1 here, it will surely be equals to 0. Now, I can say that what? Log n 0 equals to what? X. Do you know that I can say that what? Log n 0 equals to log n, this is going to be x. Do you know I can say that what? N raised to power 0 equals to what? X n raised to power x. Since the bases are equal, it means my x equals to 0. Please, these are just trying to show something. Okay, let me try to show one problem that is being said somewhere. I wrote it here. If log base 216 equals to 4x minus 1, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? It's a very simple question. What is the value of x? What I just need to do, log base 216 equals to what? 4x minus 1. Just need to know that. Anytime you have something like this, I can turn it to log 2, 4 equals to log what? Equals to 4x minus 1. This shall be 4 equals to 4x minus 1, which I will be having 4x equals to 4 plus 1, which is x will be equals to 5 all over what? 4. That is my x. Another way, or I think if you need another way, just call me. I will get back to you. That should not be a problem. Now look at this question also. Log x in base 9 equals to what? 1 point. Find x. Now this is a very simple question also. I can turn this to what? Log 9x equals to 1.5 log 9. Take note of this. Since the bases are equal, because I'm just improvising on 1, it means x equals to what? 9 raised to power 1 of 1.5. 1.5 is written as what? 1.5 can easily be 15 all over 10, which is going to be what? Here, 5 here, 2, 5 here, what? 3. It means I'm talking about, I'm talking about x equals to 9 and 3 all over 2, which x equals to 3 raised to power 2, bracket of 3 all over 2. This will cancel. My x can be 27. That is all. Please, sorry for the noise pollution on the underground. There's nothing we can do to that. I'm just having another question. Log x 64 equals to 3. Now we are asked to evaluate x log 2/8. Now we are asked to evaluate this. What you just need to do is that what you just need to do, I have log x 64 equals to 3. I can turn it to log x 64 equals to 3 log xx, which I have 64 equals to x raised to 3. Now, what can I do here? I can say that what 4 raised to 3 equals to x raised to 3. Since 3 equals to 3, since 3 equals to 3, since 3 equals to 3, therefore my x equals to 4. That is all. My x equals to 4. There are many questions there. I don't know, but how I wish I can solve everything so that you will be able to. Let me try to solve one more on this part. On this part, you are asked to solve for s in the equation log 32 equals to what? X plus 2. Now, you are asked to solve for x. There's no any problem here. What you just need to do, this is a problem. I think I should be able to. I can think of log 2 raised to power 5, which is 32, and divided by log 2 raised to power 3 equals to what? X minus x plus 2. Now, I just convert everything to another base, which I have 5 all over what? All over 3 log 2, which is x plus 2. Can you see 5 all over 3 equals to x plus 2. 5 equals to 3 bracket of x plus 2. Now, 5 equals to 3x plus 6. Now, 3x equals to what? 5 minus 6, which is my x, will be equals to minus 1 all over 3. That is the x. Can you see? I collect right times and divide both sides by what? By 3. I think. Now, with this, you should be fine. Now, let me now try to work on logarithm equation. That is a nice part of where. Now, in the next video, I'll be working on the logarithm. Simultaneous equation form, quadratic equation forms, and there are some special cases. It's already on the video, it's already on the channel, but I'm just trying to make more videos on this part so that people can see and learn at random. It's not here on option. Now, okay, permit me to. Okay, look at this. Now, I call it logarithmic equation. Let me rub this. I need to rub this one. Now, I call it now. This time around, we are working on logarithm, generally logarithm. Now, we are working on equality equation. Now, for instance, you are asked to solve log base 3 and 2x plus 1 and minus log base 3 x minus 3 equals to 2. Now, can you see the first thing you have to check out for are they of the same base? This is not 5. Sorry for my handwriting. Now, since they are of the same base, I can now say that what log 3. You are asked to find for x. You are solving for x divided by what? Equals to what? Equals to 2. Now, when you have something like this, just make sure we multiply this one by 1. That your 1 can be equals to log 3. Take note of that. It means I can say that log base 3 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. And this one will now be log, it will be 3 log 2. Log 2 log 3 and 3. Now, since the base are equal, it means I can write 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3 equals to 3 raised to the power 2, which I can answer that what? That would be 9. 2x 1 equals to what? 9 bracket of what? X minus 3. Now, 2x plus 1 equals to 9x minus 27. I want to collect like signs, which I'll be having 9x minus 2 minus 2x equals to 27. Okay, 1 plus 27, which I'll be having. This and this will give me 27. I mean, will give me 7. X equals to what? 28. Now, my x will surely be equals to 4. Now, it means my x equals to 4. If we put 4 here, and you do the operation, you will have to take note of that. That's what I want you to understand. Now, another question is there also. Now, we were told that log base 3 bracket of 2x minus 1 minus log 2 base 3 equals to what? Equals to this. Now, what I just need to do here is that since the base are equal, please check that very well. The base must be equal. It means since the base are equal, it will be equals to what? 2x minus 1 all over 2 equals to what? 1. It means log 3 2x minus 1 divided by 2 equals to log 3 3 1. Take note of that, which I'll be having. Since the base, it means 2x minus 1 all over 2 equals to 3. It means 2x minus 1 equals to what? 6. It means 2x equals to what? 7. And divide by 2. My x equals to what? That is 3 whole number 1 all over 2. Now, that is all about that. There are many more questions. I'm just trying to. Okay, I have a question here. If log 2 base 3 plus log. Now, find the value of x all over y. Now, it's a very nice problem that somebody can ask you. What you just need to do, solution to this problem. Now, I can decide to have this log 2x equals to what? 3 log. I can ask 2, which is I'm improvising for 1 plus log 2y. Now, can you see this is written as 1? So I'm just multiplying by 1 anyway. Now, I can also move on by having log x2 equals to what? Log 2 raised to the power 3 plus log 2y. The base must be equal. Since the base are equal, equals to what? Log 8 all over y. Since log 8 all over y, which I won't be able to do it that way. For your information, it will be better in that way. Now, I can turn this to what? Minus log y equals to log what? 2/8. Now, because I just collect like signs, because I can answer that log 2x all over y can be equals to log 2/8. The base are equal. It means x all over y equals to what? 8. That is mine. It means what you are asked to find equals to 8. I think. Okay, let me see this question also. I have 3 log x base 3 minus log base 3x equals to what? 2. This is also a very simple question. What you just need to do, I can write this as log 3x raised to the power 3 minus log 3 base x equals to 2. Now, log all over x in base 3 equals to what? 2. Now, this can be equals to s squared log base 3 equals to 2 log 3, which I will be saying that what? S raised to the power 2 equals to what? 3 raised to power 2. Since 2 is equals to 2, since 2 equals to 2, therefore my x equals to 3. My x equals to 3. Okay, can I see more questions there? There are a lot of questions, but okay, let me try to solve more. I think my time is still, I still have some time to get to. 52, I have time. Time is not on my side anymore. Okay. Now, look at this question. I have this question that it needs to be solved urgently. Log 10x minus log 2x minus 3.8 equals to 1. I'm finding x. This is very simple. The base and 10, it means log 10 x divided 2 all minus 2. Can you see equals to 1? I can write this as log 10. This base and this base are equal. It means x all over 2x minus 3.8 equals to 10 raised to power 1, which I will have 10, which I will cross multiply equals to what? 10 bracket of 2x minus 0.8, which I will be having x equals to 20x minus 38, which I will be having 20x minus this is going to be what? Minus 19x equals to minus 38. If I multiply by 19, this will cancel. My minus will be there. S equals to 2. S equals to 2. Okay. S equals to 2. Now, I just want us to work on. There are many questions also. I have many questions, but do I still have the time? I don't know. Okay, I'll be stopping here due to time. Now, in the next video, I'll be working on indices part of logarithm and simultaneous part of indices. Logarithm part. Simultaneous part of logarithm and quadratic equation part of logarithm. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.